Hi, welcome to Sachin Study Tech. Today topic is reliability design problem in dynamic programming approach. So what is meant by reliability design? So the reliability design problem is the designing of the system composed of several devices connected in series or parallel. Reliability means probability to get the success of the device. So given a cost C and we have to set up a system by buying the devices, and we need to find number of copies of each device under the cost such that the reliability of the system is maximized. That means if we want to buy a system, it requires some devices. For example, in this example here there are three devices you can require to build a system. So these are the device D1 is $30, device 2 is the $15, device D3 is $20 respectively. Here it is the cost of the system is to be not more than $105. So $105 is given, then you can build a system. So that system require three devices D1, D2, D3. So here also reliability is given. So working reliability of the device D1 is 0.9. So here it is 0.8, here it is 0.5. It is working reliability. So not working reliability of that particular device is, so 1 minus 0.9. So not working reliability is 0.1. Here are not working reliability is 0.2. Here not working reliability is 0.5. So not working reliability of D3 is very less. So you can take the additional devices. Then if this for example you can consider D3 is fail, then you can take the additional devices. How many number of additional devices you can take, that is D1 or D2 or D3, okay, such that you can get the maximum reliability of the entire system. That entire system reliability is some pi of Ri. So here you can discuss now one example. Here you can see devices D1 and D2 and D3, three devices you can require here to build a system. Here the cost of the device 1 cost is, that is 30, here it is 30, here it is 15, here it is 20. Reliability of the device D1 is 0.9. So working reliability is, and working reliability of D2 is 0.8 and working reliability of D3 is 0.5. You can consider the UI, that is upper bound. How many number of additional devices you can take, D1, D2, D3. Now here it is C equal to total $105. C equal to total $105. Now if you want to build a system, you can purchase D1, D2, D3. Then what is the remaining amount? You can see here it is C minus summation of Ci. That Ci means 30 plus 15 plus 20, that is 65. So here it is 105 minus 65, that is equal to 40. So remaining $40 is there. Then this $40, how many number of devices you can purchase, D1 and D2 and D3. Now you can calculate it UI. So what is the formula? Here it is, UI is formula is UI, that is equal to C minus summation of Ci floor of, here it is, that is Ci plus 1. Here 1 means already one device you can purchase. So how many number of additional devices you can purchase for the remaining amount? Okay, remaining amount is $40 is there. So here it is, for example, already C minus summation of Ci, that value is 40. Here it is, for example, in D1 equal to, here it is 40 by Ci, that is D1 device cost C1, that is 30 plus here it is 1, that is equal to, here it is 1 plus 1, 2 devices. So one device already purchased, one additional device you can take. So you can calculate the upper bound like that. So here it is 40 by how many devices D2 you can consider, it is, So device D2 cost, C2 cost is 15 plus 1. Here it is 2 plus 1, that is 3. So like that here D3 cost is 40 by 20. Device D3 cost 20 plus here it is 1. Like here it is 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now by using set method, you can solve this problem. Now you can see the reliability and cost. Here it is. For example, here it is reliability, can consider the reliability and cost. Here it is. So reliability initially it is 1, cost initially 0. Reliability, why you can take the 1 here, it is you can multiply the reliability of the next devices reliability, so that you can take the 1 here it is. For example, I am consider here it is S0, that is equal to, here it is reliability is 1, the cost of the initial cost is 0, here it is S0, here it is S0. Now you can consider the S1, you can consider the device 1. So here indicates set 1, this means device 1, here it is 1. I am consider this is number of copies, that is I am consider device 1 copy. So this is the device 1 D1. Now we can see here it is, what is the reliability is, reliability of the device 1 is 0.9 and the cost of the device 1 is 30. So here it is, you can multiply this, you can add this. So here you can prepare this set 1 into 0.9, that is 0.9, 0 plus 30, that is 30. So that means you can purchase D1, so the cost is 30, the reliability is 0.9. So you can consider here it is upper bound is 2, so that you can consider the second 2 copies of device 1, 2 copies of device 1. Now here you can consider it is 1 copy, the reliability is 0.9, that means not working reliability of the 2 copies, that is 1 minus 0.9, okay, 2 copies. Okay, now we can find out the working reliability. So that 1 minus 0.9. So 1 minus 0.9 means not working reliability of the 2 copies. Okay, then you can subtract 1 minus that not working, then working reliability, you can get the working reliability. So that 1 minus 0.9 whole square. So that value is here it is, you can already calculated, that value is 0.99. So you can multiply this 0.99 into 1, 0.99, comma, here it is add 30 plus here additional device is 30, 30 plus 30 is 60. Now we can prepare it is S1 is S1 2 copies, so that is 0.9 reliability, 1 copy 30, and you can consider the second copy also device 1, that is reliability is 0.99, that means reliability is improved. So 0.9 to 0.99, then you can take the one additional device, that is 30 plus 30 is 60. So this is the S1 now. Now you can consider D2, because here it is upper bound is 2, that's why you can stop here. 2 copies I am considered. Next I am consider the D2. So D2 device, so here it is, the cost of the D2 is 15, that is 0.8 comma, here it is 15. So I am consider here it is device D2, I am consider 1 copy, that is equal to, you can multiply this, Here you can add it plus. So you can see here 0.9 into 0.8, 0.72, 30 plus 15, that is 45, and 0.8 into 0.99, that is 0.792, 60 plus 15, that is 75. You can see one more thing here, it is total dollars is 105, so here it is 75 you can purchase. Now you can consider the device D2. So I am writing here, it is S1 is 0.930 comma 0.9960. So now I am considering it is 2 copies of device D2, that is one copy is 0.8 reliability, that is 1 minus 0.8 whole square. This value is 1 minus 0 point whole square, this value is, here it is 0.96, and 2 copies here consider, 1 copy is device is $15, 2 copies is $30. So I am considering here it is 0.9630. Now you can multiply this 0.9 into 0.96, you can add it, 30 plus 30 is. Now you can prepare S2 2 copies. So that is equal to S2 2 copies, that is equal to 0.9 into 0.96, that is 0.864 comma 30 plus 30, that is 60. 0.99 into 0.96, that is 0.9504. 60 plus 30, that is 90. You can see one thing here, it is, so $90 already you can use it here, it is remaining dollars is 15. So here it is $90 by purchasing 2 devices of D2 and 2 devices of D1, then you can remaining is $15, but you can purchase at least one device D3, so that you can drop this, because here it is already $90 used, but you can purchase the D3, at least you can build a system, you can require one copy. So D3 is $20, but here remaining dollars is $15 is remaining, but you cannot purchase the D3. If not purchase the D3, you cannot build a system, so that you can ignore this one. Okay, this is the discarded. So I am preparing now S2 device D2 and 3 copies. Here also you can see, that means 1 minus 0.8 whole cube. Here you can see 2 copies, here it is 3 copies. What is the value here? It is 0.992. So 3 copies means here it is 1 copy 15, 3 copies is 45. You can multiply this. Here also you can see, here the S1 is 0.9, so that 0.992 into this and 0.992 into 0.99. Here also you can see 30 plus 75, 30 plus 45, it is 75. Here you can prepare, here it is 0.8928 comma, here it is 45 plus 30, that is 75. You can see need not to calculate this, because here it is, before multiplying this reliability you can see the cost. Here it is 45, here it is 60. Already $105 is you can used. what about the D3? Okay, there is no amount to purchase D3, so that you can discard this one also, discard directly without multiplying, without wasting time, without multiplying this reliability. So directly can discard this one. So you can prepare this. S2 is, you can merge, here it is 0.72, here is 0.7245, 0.7245, comma 0.79275, here it is. Next 0.864, that is 60, comma here it is 0.892, 0.892, comma 75. So this is, you can see one thing, here it is, here 45, it is 75, you can improve the reliability. So here it is 75, here it is 60, you can see improve the reliability, but the cost is 60. So here also you can see 0.892, it is a 75. So here it is 60, reliability is 864. So you can discard this one, you can discard. Okay, increase the cost, but reliability is decreasing. So here it is 0.864, here improve the reliability 0.892, that is 75. Now you can see the same procedure, here it is S3, sorry, here it is device 3, one copy, that is D3, device D3. So here also can consider, here it is already device D3 reliability is 0.5, 0.5, comma 20. So you can multiply this 0.5 into 0.72, here it is 0.36, 45 plus 20, that is 65. Like that, here multiply this 0.432, that is 60 plus 20, 80, and 0.51 into 0.892, that is 0.4464, plus here it is 75 into 20, that is 95. So here it is, I am consider the two copies of device D3. Here one copy reliability is 0.5, two copies is 1 minus 0.5 whole square, that value is 0.75, 0.75. So two copies I am considered, that is one copy is 20, two copies is 40. So you can multiply now 0.75 comma 40, that is 0.72 into, now 0.72 into 0.75, we can add 45 plus 40. Like that you can prepare, here it is S3 of two copies, that is equal to 0.5485, 45 plus 40, that is 85, comma here it is 40 plus 60, 100, here it is 100. Okay, you can multiply this 0.864 into 0.75, that is 0.648, right? So here you can see 40 plus 75, that is 115. Here it is 115. So actually we have the total is $105, so that without multiplying this reliability you can discard this one, you can discard this one. So here also can require the third copy D3, so that is 1 minus 1 minus 0.5 whole cube. What is the value? Here it is, here it is, you can take 3 copies, that is 1 copy is 20, 3 copies is 60. Now we can see it is 3 copies, that is 0.875, 875. So you can multiply, here it is 0.875 comma cost is 60. Now we can see here it is 60 plus 45. Some I am writing here, it is third device, 3 copies. Here it is 45 plus 60, that is 105. So 105, no problem. Here the entire $105 is there, so that you can multiply the reliability of 0.875 into 0.72, that is 0.63, 0.63. Here it is, you can see 60, here 60, here 60, 120. Okay, so you can discard that 120. Here it is, no need to calculate, this is discard. Here also 60 plus 75, that is 135, this is also discarded. So here merge this, S3 is 0.3665, 0.432 comma 80, 0.4464 comma 95. You can write, here it is 0.5485, here it is 0.648 comma 100. Next here it is 0.63105. So you can see here it is, you can see here it is 0.63105, but here 100 also you can get the reliability 0.648. So you can discard this one. Here also you can see, here it is 0.4464. Here you can get the reliability 0.4464, 95, but you can see here it is 0.54 within 85. You can purchase the $85, the reliability is 0.54. So this is also discarded. Now what is the maximum reliability? Here it is, you can see it is the maximum reliability, that is 0.648 comma 100. Okay, so this 0.648 100, it is because of S3 is 2 devices, so you can purchase D3 2 devices. So why you can get this? Here it is 0.648 100. Why it is get this? Here it is multiplying in S23 0.64, S3 2, here it is. Okay, then you can get 0.8 in S2. Zero point 0.8 because of this one, so that is S2. Here where you can get 0.6460, that is because of 0.864, because of this one. That means here you can consider device D2 2 copies, device D2 2 copies. Okay, then why you can get the 0.864, that is because of this one. You can multiply this one, here it is 0.930, it is S1, here S1, here it is 0.930 is because of this one, here it can multiply this. So this is, you can require only one copy, so device D1 require only one copy, so that here it is pi RA, reliability of the entire system is 0.648, 0.648. Okay, you can use the dollars, that is $100. You can use $100, you can get the entire system reliability is 0.648. This is the problem solution. So here how many number of copies is required? Here it is D1 1 copy, D2 2 copies, D3 2 copies. Thank you for watching this.